Today I traded Tesla options in the first 30 minutes of the trading day from a cash account, and I started with $100, and you can do it too. So this is what we need to do. We need to focus on events, locations, and levels. All right, that's it. Events, locations, and levels. So the first thing everybody wants to know is the price. How can I afford to do that? Well, it's very simple. When you come to the options chain, you want to focus on two things: the asking price and the delta. The asking price and the delta. The asking price is the price to enter the option. That's not how much you're gonna risk. That's just how much it costs to enter. You can risk way less than the cost of the option. All right, so we're looking at a 390 put. Now, buying puts is when you want to bet the price will start going down. So we have this big green power bar. That's the name of this event. This green candle, the current price is $420.95. So if we wanted to bet that it was going to go down, we will buy a put. But based on what I'm seeing, we have this big powerful event clearing all of the candles to the left, and it's coming from a prime location, which is the 200 period moving average. I'm gonna bet that this is gonna continue to go up, and you buy a call when you want to bet the price will keep going up. All right, so we're gonna buy a call, but we're gonna wait for the candle to close. Remember, the asking price is the cost of the contract. All right, so 0.61 ask equals $61. So we're potentially looking at entering an options contract for only $61. But we want an A+ setup, which is the event, the power bar, and the location. This red line right here, also known as the 200 period moving average. And we're using a 2-minute time frame. All right, a 2-minute time frame, but this A+ setup works on any time frame. All right, so now we're back here looking at the options chain. We bought one contract for $71. One contract for $71. So we're in the game. We're trading Tesla. We paid $71 to enter the contract. That doesn't mean we have to lose the whole 71 if this thing goes wrong. That's just how much it costs to enter. We're gonna take profit or cut the play when we are 20% in profit, or if we see a new high price. So the current high price is $423.86. We're also looking down here at this box at the bottom that shows our positions. This is going to highlight the percentage of profit. It gives you the dollar amount of profit and the percentage of profit. Because we're only starting with $100, we're focused on the percent of profit, not the dollar amount. $3 is the same as $30. We're just looking for a 20% move in profit or a new high price. So we're going to be looking at the positions box as well as the candles to see which occurs first. Now, when we start seeing the move down in the opposite direction, there are three things we need to look for. We're going to watch, but we're not just hoping. We're assessing. We want to assess the pullback. Does the move down stay in the top half of that big green powerful candle, the event? So does the move down cut off the event halfway, or does it at least stay in the top third? If it stays in the top third, great. If it stays in the top half, good. All right, top third, great. That means that it's very probable that we're going to go to a new high. If it stays in the top half, it's not. It's about 50-50 that we're going to go to a new high. So we're watching that, and we're looking down here at our positions box again. When the third candle forms, same thing, assessing a pullback. We're always assessing a pullback. Does it stay in the top half, or does it stay in the top third? If it breaks the top half, we're going to cut the play and go the other way. All right, but for now, we're in good standings because the pullback is staying in the top half. All right, so we're just going to monitor it. Right now, we're monitoring it. We're focusing on those two things. Does it stay in the top half, or does it stay in the top third? So we're not going to panic yet because it's still in the top third. We're going to say that the green line, the 50-period moving average, is the halfway mark. So we're going to look at that. We're eyeballing it. Okay, we're not going to over concern ourselves with the positions, the pricing. We're looking just for the chart move. This is critical when you're trading small options. You're doing this to learn the process. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. This is for you to gain experience without waiting. All right, so here we go. We had a tail bar and now we have a push. Boom. So we have a new high. So we have a new high price and we're approaching 20%. So we're going to take profit at the new high and at the 20% profit mark. All right. And you could do it too. Trading Tesla options with $100. No excuses. Peace and love, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey,